Hello students, my name is Professor Sonali Pandey and today we will discuss about the logic circuit and circuit. So the content of this lecture is logic gates, truth table, types of circuit. The circuit has the two types. First type of circuit is combinational circuit and second type of circuit is sequential circuit. So what is gate? The building block used to create digital circuits are the logic gates. Combinations of transistors that perform binary logic, and there are 3 elementary logic gates and a range of other simple gates. Each gate has its own logic symbol which allows complex function to be represented by a logic diagram. The function of each gate can be represented by a truth table or using a Boolean algebra. Logic gates are the logic circuits which acts as the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. This is the types of logic gates. NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. These are the 3 main gates. Then NAND and NOR, XOR, XNOR and buffer gate. We will discuss these gates. So first gate is the NOT gate. A NOT gate accepts one input value and produces one output value. The NOT gate operation represents a process of logical inversion called as a complementing. This operation changes one logic level to the opposite logic level. So by definition, if the input value of NOT gate is 0, then the output value is 1, that is inversion of 0. And if the input value is 1, the output is 0. A NOT gate is sometimes referred to as inverter because it inverts the input value. So Boolean expression of the NOT gate is x is equals to a bar. This is logic diagram of the NOT gate, and this one is the truth table. If we put the input as a 0, then output will be 1, and if we put input as a 1, then output is a 0. This is the NOT gate. Then second gate is AND gate, and AND gate accepts 2 input signal. The AND gate operation produces a high, that is one output if and only if all the inputs of logic circuits are high, that is 1. The AND operator represents logical multiplication. It is denoted by a dot between the 2 variables to be multiplied. That is, this is nothing but the Boolean expression of the AND gate. X is equals to A into B, that is multiplication. However, sometimes this dot is not used and we denote the logical multiplication of A and B as a AB. So if the 2 input values for an AND gate are both 1, then and then only output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. The Boolean expression of AND gate is x is equals to A into B. This is the logic diagram of the AND gate. AB is the input and x is the output. This is nothing but the truth table of AND gate. AB input and x is the output. If A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 0, then output is equal to 0. If A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1, then output is 0. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then output is 0. If A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 1, that is both input is 1, then output x is equals to 1. This is about the AND gate. Then our third gate is OR gate. If the 2 input values are both 0, the input value is 0, then the output value is 0. Otherwise, the output is 1. The OR operation produces a high output when any one or all the inputs of logic circuits are high. The OR operator represents logical addition. It is denoted by the plus sign between the two variables to be added. If A and B are to be added in a logic circuit, then it is represented by the A plus B. So, Boolean expression of the OR gate is X is equals to A plus B. This is nothing but the logical diagram of the OR gate. Input is A and B and output is X. This is the truth table of the OR gate. If A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 0, hence 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Output is 0. If A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1. That means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If A is equal to 1 and B is equals to 0, A 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. That is output 1. If A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. That is output is equal to 1. This is about the OR gate. Then we will proceed to the next NAND and NOR gates. The NAND and NOR gates are essentially the opposite of the AND and OR gate, respectively. These are called as the universal gate. NAND and NOR gates are called as the universal gate. Boolean expressions. Boolean expression of NAND gate. X is equals to A into B bar. This is the logical diagram of the NAND gate. Bubble indicates, this is the symbol of and this bubble indicates the NOT gate. Combination of and NOT gate represents the NAND gate. This is nothing but the truth table of NAND gate. If A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 0, then output is 1. If A is equals to 0, B is equal to 1, then output is 1. If A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then output 1. If A, both input, that is A and B is equals to 1, then output is 0. Then the NOR gate, Boolean expression is X is equals to A plus B bar. Because the NOR gate is the combination of NOT and OR gate. This is nothing but the symbol of NOR gate. First symbol of gate is OR, and this hole indicates the NOT gate. Truth table of NOR gate is A, B and X. AB is input and X is output. If A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, then output is 1. If A is equals to 0, B is equal to 1, then output 0. If A is equal to 1, B is equals to 0, then output 0. If A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then output 0. The next gate is the XOR gate. XOR or exclusive OR gate. An XOR gate produces 0 if its two inputs are the same and a 1 otherwise. Since this is the Boolean expression of the XOR gate, X is equals to A XOR B. This is nothing but the symbol of logic diagram of XOR gate. This is the truth table of XOR gate. If A and B both are 0, that is equal, then output is 0. If A and B both are 1, then output is 0. That is same input produce the 0 output. And if A is equals to 0, B is equal to 1, then output is 1. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then output is 1. So this is the XOR gate. Then our last gate is XNOR gate. The exclusive NOR gate or XNOR is logically equivalent to the XOR gate followed by an inverter. This is nothing but the symbol of the exclusive NOR gate. Two inputs are there, A and B, and this is the output. So this is the combination of XOR and NOT gate produces the XNOR gate. This is the symbol of XOR gate and this is the symbol of NOT gate. So the truth table is here. A, B are the input and output. If A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, then output is 1. If A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, then output is 0. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then output 0. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then output 1. This is all about the XNOR gate. So, buffer gate. The buffer gate returns the same output as same that of input, that is buffer gate. If we put the input as 0, then output also 0. If we put input as 1, then output is 1. So input is equals to output, that is buffer gate. So our next part is circuits. We know circuits has two types. First one is the combinational circuit and second one is the sequential circuit. So our first type is combinational circuit. So the digital logic circuit whose outputs can be determined using the logic function of current state input are the combinational logic circuit. So here is the diagram of the combinational logic circuit. Consists of two AND gate and one OR gate. As soon as inputs are changed, the information about the previous input is lost. That is, combinational logic circuits have no memory. So some examples of combinational logic circuits are adder, subtractor, decoder, encoder, multiplexer and demultiplexer. Our second type of the circuit is sequential circuit. The definition of sequential circuit is the digital logic circuit whose output can be determined using the logic function of current state inputs and past state inputs, and also can store information, are called as the sequential logic circuit. This is the block diagram of sequential logic circuit. It consists of the input, output and also the memory. It is a combination of memory elements and combinational gates. Then the types of sequential circuits are flip-flops, resistors and counters. So in today's session we learned about the logic gates and two types of circuits.